Good day, everyone. My name is Akinlabi O.J. John, an MSc student of JBTS Institute of Science, Management and Technology, in collaboration with South American University, USC, Pan American College, California, Global West University, Togo, and I'm currently studying in Gariki Area 10 Abuja Study Center. Today, I'll be having a brief term paper presentation on the topic altitude. Altitude has been conceptualized in different contexts based on the way it is experienced and used at a particular time. And the altitude can also be seen as a distance above the sea level. And in another way, it can also be seen as a vertical distance between a reference datum and a point or object. And the exact concepts and reference datum varies according to the context. E.g., geographical survey, geometry, aviation, sports, and atmospheric peril. And the altitude could also be seen as ice, sometimes described as depth. And it's also a distance measurement, usually in the vertical or up direction between a reference datum and a point or object. Altitude can also be defined as the vertical elevation of an object above the sea level or above a surface, such as the sea level. Now, in furthering my explanation on this term paper topic, altitude, we have classifications of altitude. When we are talking about the classification of altitude, we are talking about the way in which this particular topic, altitude, is being classified. The body reacts in diverse ways at various levels of altitude. Therefore, it is extremely pertinent to know that when traveling to altitude or exercising at altitude, there are two categories of environmental changes. These changes are the body, which is physically tied to meters above the sea level, such as the atmospheric pressure, the temperature, and the clear sky turbidity. And those that are not generally altitude specific, such as moisture, hours of sunshine, winds, seasons length, geology, and even human land use. All this as classified altitude into what we call high altitude, very high altitude, and what we call extreme altitude. When we are talking about high altitude, region on Earth's surface that are high above the sea level are referred to as what? As high altitude. And high altitudes range from what? From 2,400 meters. That is 8,000 feet above the sea level. 2, we have very high altitude. And in this, they range from 8,000 to 12,000 feet above the sea level. So we have the extreme altitude, which ranges from 12,000 to 80,000 feet. Thank you.